In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule Zoom meetings in Google Calendar. This is a very convenient way to organize your meetings, send invitations, and make sure everyone has the correct meeting link all in one place. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can set this up with ease. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google Calendar. Make sure you are signed in to your account so you can create and manage events. Once you're on the calendar page, look for the Create button, usually located in the top left corner, and click on it to start a new event. A new event window will appear where you can enter the details of your meeting. Start by adding a title, then set the date and time according to your schedule. You can also include a description if needed, such as the meeting agenda or important notes for participants. Next, you'll want to add your guests. Look for the Add Guests section and type in the email addresses of the people you want to invite. As you add them, Google Calendar will automatically include them in the invitation list. Now, to include a Zoom meeting link, make sure your Zoom account is already integrated with your Google Calendar. If it is, you'll see an option to add a video conferencing link. Select Zoom from the available options, and the meeting link will be generated automatically and added to your event. If you don't see the Zoom option, you may need to set up the Zoom extension or add-on for your browser or Google Workspace. Once it's connected to your Zoom account, return to your event and add the Zoom meeting link. After everything is set, review your event details to make sure the time, date, and guest list are correct. Then click the Save button. Google Calendar will prompt you to send invitations to your guests. Confirm this, and the invitations will be sent along with the Zoom meeting link. Your meeting is now scheduled, and both you and your participants will receive notifications and reminders before it starts. This helps ensure that everyone stays informed and joins on time. Using Google Calendar together with Zoom makes managing meetings much easier, especially for work, school, or group collaborations. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.